In an age where convenience and security are paramount, the GeekTale Smart Fingerprint Door Lock emerges as a beacon of innovation in the smart home landscape. This review will take you through the ins and outs of this sophisticated device, highlighting its features, installation process, and overall performance. Design and features. The GeekTale Smart Fingerprint Door Lock sports a sleek, matte black finish that complements any door aesthetic. It's not just about looks. The lock is robust, crafted from high-quality aluminum, ensuring durability and a sense of modern elegance. One of the lock's standout features is its 3-in-1 unlocking mechanisms: fingerprint recognition, app control, and emergency backup keys. The biometric fingerprint reader is capable of storing up to 20 fingerprints, offering personalized access for family members or trusted individuals. The accompanying app is intuitive, providing users with the ability to manage fingerprints, check unlock records, and customize auto-lock settings.
Installation ease.
Installation is a breeze. The lock is designed to fit most US doors and can be easily installed with just a screwdriver. GeekTale provides detailed installation steps and videos, ensuring that even the least tech-savvy users can set it up without a hitch. Performance and security. In terms of performance, the GeekTale lock excels. The fingerprint reader is responsive, granting access within seconds. The app is equally impressive, offering real-time notifications and the ability to track entry records, a feature that adds an extra layer of security and convenience. The lock also boasts several modes to suit different needs, including passage mode, secure mode, and a mute function for those times when you need a bit of quiet. Additionally, the emergency charge feature ensures that you're never locked out, even during a power outage. Customer support. GeekTale's commitment to customer satisfaction is evident in their localized customer service guarantee. They offer a hassle-free 30-day return policy and 24-hour technical support, providing peace of mind to customers. Conclusion. The GeekTale Smart Fingerprint Door Lock is a testament to the advancements in smart home technology. It offers a perfect blend of security, convenience, and style, making it an ideal choice for modern living. Whether you're upgrading your home security or venturing into the world of smart homes for the first time, the GeekTale lock is a worthy investment.